7.6. So let's take a look at how we can do a webinar in Moodle. And this is kind of new, so I'm excited that Moodle 2.4 and also 2.3 offer Big Blue Button. So let's take a look. Let's go ahead and add Big Blue Button, which is open source web conferencing. So you don't have to do some of the 4 ones that are expensive. And then Big Blue Button is open source, and it's available outside of Moodle, but the nice thing is that it's available through Moodle also. So we added Big Blue Button, and we have these general settings. You can put a welcome message. Again, you probably would want to open it in a new window, and you have to wait till the moderator joins. And let's look at some of the other settings. I would highly recommend recording your webinar because you can archive it later, and people who miss the live event can go and be involved in the asynchronous. So you can have both. So let's go back. I've already set it up. So let's just go back and see where I've set it up. So let's go to Big Blue Button, and you will first be prompted once you set it up to go ahead and test your speakers and test your audio. I'm using a headset. I highly recommend that. And then also it'll allow you to test your speakers to see if you can hear it. So you test your microphone and your speakers. Now notice I'm logged in as an admin. And then to get started, I can watch a tutorial video. So as the moderator, I can watch this one, or I can watch the tutorial as the viewer. And one of the things I really like about Big Blue Button is it's a little bit like Adobe Connect or Omnovia, in that it has little tools that you can use. There's a pencil, a rectangle, circle, triangle, line, text. You go, what are these for? What they allow you to do is to circle and make when you're making your presentation. This will actually, when you start, what we see here is actually going to be a whiteboard. But then we also can raise our hands to show that we want to interact. But you can see as an administrator, you have the opportunity to interact with all these different tool sets. Then we can clear the page, and we can go back. We can select a color for our tools, etc. So there are a lot of different things we can do. In addition, you can chat with people while you're doing this. So you can just type in some chat, and then you can send it to no one really, because it's only going to the admin user. But see, here's a chance for you to either send it out to all the people, or you can also select a private chat. So I can chat privately with myself, it appears, since no one else is there. But we can have our other people go ahead and join. The other thing I really like about Big Blue Button is it's extremely easy to use. You can see who's online here. You can also change the settings. So you can lower all the hands. You can mute all, which is useful because if they have their headsets on too, then they can actually end up interfering. So notice you can also share your camera. So I can share my microphone. I can share my camera. I can turn on my camera. Here I am. Hi. I can turn it off now. Close. And it's very multifunctional. And the nice thing is that it is all completely free here within Moodle. So this is your Big Blue Button web conferencing app. Excellent, right? Thank you.